Catherine here is watching Cooper. Running back and forth. See? And then he runs away. And she watches him. And then he runs back. Totally just watching Cooper. Mhm. 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 You go, Cat. Give Catherine another hug, Cooper.
Give her a hug.
Oh, how nice!
Good job.
What a good cousin. Yeah. I know. Cooper came over to play with you. I know. See how much she bounces more when you go play with her? She likes playing with you. She does. Yeah.
Did you go read her a story, Cooper? Can you tell her what the animals are in the book?
What does the book say, Cooper?
Can you not tell her what the book says? What animals are in the book? Are we dancing? What's this, Coop? Oh, watch your fingers.
I know. She likes it so much when you play with her, Cooper. Look at that jumping.
Yay!
Yeah.
Do you like Cousin Kate?
And then Cousin Lauren's over here. Oh, you're awake. You're awake, huh? Oh, big yawn. We got the toucan in the way. Let's see here. There we go. Hi, Cousin Lauren. All right. That's it for a busy morning. Yeah.
One more bounce before we go.